Yeah, it's true, whatever. Girl, yeah, girl, you know, I ain't really been watching Soulja Boy videos that much lately because, you know, bitch been looking for a job, trying to get their money, still ain't got shit yet. But anywho, did you see those niggas? Girl, it's four of them in one room. There is no way in the world all them fine ass niggas should be in one room together. That is just too much playing. Anywho, that was some funny shit though. That was long ass shit. That was some funny shit. You know what I mean? Hey, I just sit here and be like, Soulja Boy. And Trey Songz, I'm glad he cut that hair. He looked good with the braids, but he looked good without the hair. And then Drake's so sexy. Mm. But I still don't like Bow Wow. I'm sorry. I never did like Bow Wow as much as I liked Chris Brown, or as much as I like. Because girl, I had a major ass crush on Lil Fizz. Oh, and you know what? I'm gonna do for y'all. I'm going to make me a challenge next week. If whoever watched the video and want to see it, you can look me up. It's Bionic Barbie, or just like click this video and come to my page and subscribe. Please do, honey. Because next week I'm gonna do me a challenge to cause like what was it what's the dude name? Pretty Ricky. Like this is the challenge for Chris Brown and Marion. Day 26 now them. Girl, that was funny as hell. It was funny. It was funny as hell. So I think that's what I'm gonna do my challenge. I'ma get it tipsy. I'ma get it tipsy. Anywho, check out my fucking MySpace page, www.myspace.com/ALOONTARRYES, and just look at my fucking Soulja Boy background, my fucking Soulja Boy videos. Oh my god, I need to change my name to Mrs. Way, but I haven't got there yet. I might sound kind of psychological, psychoanalytic. Might sound psycho, but bitch, oh my god, I love Soulja Boy. I mean, it's like I love Soulja Boy, I love Beyonce, but oh, girl, go. It's Soulja Boy. I'm gonna lie. Do you see how fine this nigga is? And it makes so bad. My ex-boyfriend looks just like him, except he thicker. The girls call him Soulja Boy. I'm like, don't call him that. Stupid nigga head up. Shit. I do. Like, Soulja Boy. Alrighty then, yeah, let me get off this computer. Before I go, what do I feel like telling you? I love Soulja Boy. Um, Soulja Boy is the shit. I mean, I'm telling you, Soulja Boy is not a better rapper than Drake or motherfucking Lil Wayne, but the nigga got something. He got something. I don't know what the fuck Soulja Boy got, but he got something. I mean, he got something. Whatever the fuck it is he got that's making this motherfucking money, nigga doing it. The nigga doing it. I mean, I'm kind of shocked though. I mean, these motherfuckers are rich as hell. And you see Drake wearing some fucking gym shorts from fucking Foot Locker. I mean, I saw them same shorts down the street. But if you notice that Soulja Boy got like this big ass watch on, and pretty brown eyes. Brown eyes tell me so. He could be the one. He could be the one. That's a song put on my face page just for Soulja Boy. But let me get off this because this is getting boring. Please, if you love me, if you don't love me, come, comment, rate, subscribe. And do you know what I want to do? I want to be Soulja Boy. Oh my god, I don't care if it's like for a second. That's a lie. I want to meet Soulja Boy. I want to talk to him. I want to fucking wash his dirty drawers. I should have said that loud. See, now it's not perverted. Oh, Jesus. Now it's not perverted. Oh, God. And I'm going to post this shit, too. Now it's not perverted. I mean, I want to wash. Oh, good. Well, hold on. If niggas could say, in the color purple, girl, you look so good, I'll drink your bath water. That's some nasty ass shit right there. But I can't say, I want to wash the nigga dirty drawers. And I said it again. Look, let me go before I say something else. Like, yeah. Alright. Bye, YouTubers. You can call me Mrs. DeAndre Way.